Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel that I would like to show you the updates for Immutable X IMX USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in, guys. So this is a chart what I track basically since zone 23, and that moment we almost retested that 27 block, right? I waited that deeper correction, but this zone is accumulation and still relevant. I want to show you two charts. So this is on a Binance local one. And I want to show you the global one because Binance is not a main listing because the Binance listed only in 2022 here in January 2022, and the Immutable X listed on the market since 2021. So this fee, basically this target's relevant, and we form now 1, 2, I guess it can be the double bottom, local double bottom on the weekly, because we several times tested 27 block. Around here, I post, I will buy Immutable X when we'll drop to 45 cents. I didn't buy it because I miss it. I didn't add the notification. I didn't add alerts, and I skip it. The problem, we got some problems with the Immutable X. They post a lot of partnership. The gaming will be the bright future of gamified sector. Gaming will be mass adoption and all of this stuff. It's in theory should work. So people play the game, but we got like demo version of the Web3, so that's a problem. The gamified sector now stagnated, and no one talking from gamified sector pumped it yet. So the portal, Immutable X, Illuvium, XAI, Loca just a pump by 150%. But anyway, even the Loca, which lay down at 4 cents and traded before like, $5, I guess. So the same story with Immutable X, and we got like almost all tokens in circulation supply now. Technically, the $7, it's possible target. It's possible, but the problem, we should see some real, not a mass adoption. We need to see some real hype around the gamified sector because the circulation supply now is around 2 billion tokens, 1.89 billion, 94% tokens. Unlock it, right? Everything okay. But with the price of 61 cents, now it's 1.16 billion market capitalization, almost equal. FDV, it's good. But let's imagine that $6, it should be, around like 10 billion market capitalization. So it's kind of big numbers, right? Yes, of course, the paper reached 9 billion market capitalization, so the Immutable X also can hit it. Basically, yes, but we got like problems. And even from this current prices, $6, it would be not like a wow effect, right? So here, it's going to be only 1,600% gains. It's a big gains, but not what people looking for, like 5,000% gains, like 10,000% gains. We're going to $10, $20, $1,000 because of, and some reasons, right, why we have to go like that one. So I think, yes, 689, guys, it can be the end of cycle for the stock. And if we count from the this low here, basically kind of weird how we formed the low in November 2022, and after the 3 years come back and form another historical low. It's just mind-blowing. Not a historical low, but the low. So here, this is June 25. We've been inside 27 block. Can we drop again that low? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. And I would like to show them even the drop, how low we can drop, guys. In this case, from that low, 1.61 low by fee, based on this targets, we should hit around 2,000% gains. Yes, it can be the top of the top because, for example, like H-bar in 2020, COVID dump to April 2021, reached just finished the ride of full cycle with 2,000% gains. So, guys, it's more than real. So, like $7, it will be, around over than 12 billion market capitalization. So just in case, if we drop again, maybe I will buy Immutable X. So now locally, also, what we can form? We can form like double bottom, right? But we have to go to 391, 417, this block to talk about the double bottom. So the best case scenario, some consolidation here in August. After that, some hype in media about the games ago, about the new era for GameFi, and slowly but surely skyrocket here, sweep liquidity, drop it back, form the double bottom, or the, if you want to call it, you can like cap and handle, retest, and go higher to this target. So that's the point, guys. If and when we will pass, for example, the $5, everybody got on screen. We go into the moon, we go into $10 and higher. If you believe in $10, yes, it's 2.61, $10.46. I don't believe in $10 for Immutable X. So this is okay. But this is a local one. This is a local one, targets. And yes, if you ask it is okay, accumulate Immutable X now or not, we around 20 cent blocks. So 45 cents and 13 cents 50, it's comfortable zone for accumulation. It's always been. But the problem is, guys, this is an initiation accumulation pump model on the daily time frame, which still relevant since zone 21. This one, November 21, crazy spike. Weird. Imagine $100 and now we trade at 61 cents. Absolutely weird. What was the fundraising rounds? Wow, 16 cents. Wow. Gosh. Come on, seed round. Imagine the seed round for that token being almost 2 cents. That guys who invested it in Immutable X on a seed round in Zone 21, they still in profit 3,200% gains. Look at these numbers. It's just mind-blowing, guys. Wow, just amazing. I don't think so. Of course, Immutable X will drop to the seed round. It's no make sense, right? But it's kind of weird. How low we can drop if we'll see some flash crash again, if we'll see the, I don't know, super capitulation. It's a drop on the listing price. It's 10 cents. So this one, 10 cents is what the private round. ICO round was here 15 cents on a coin list. But it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, even the guys who invested on HTX Prime list, they still in profit like 282%. I hope all of that guys are ready. So their tokens, hands change it, right? And everything good. Take a look at the funding rounds. So the funds invested 277 million, 86%. Crazy total valuation, 2.5 billion. It's just a mind-blowing, guys. Just a mind-blowing for sure. That's why if we track this zone locally and globally, so here we drop it down. We use this model. I'm not count, of course, that crazy week. No makes sense. So here, 689. It's the same zone where we need to usually fix the swing trades. Based on annotation accumulation pump model, and imagine this model is still relevant after the 4 years. Just mind blowing. Also, $6.09, $6.55. It's more than okay, like double reason comfortable zone for fixation. So 1.61 level people on Binance, and this is a zone of fixation. I don't think so. We go into higher than $9.47, but here this is a swing trade zone of fixation. In validation of this idea, if we dump on the listing price, it's like 10 cents. I don't think so. We will drop on the listing price. If you think it's okay to buy now or not, I think yes. The problem only with the seasonality, and it's more than okay to see the correction in this August. So by end of this month, yes, we can test the fundamental value of the socket, 74 cents, 84. It's good because we trade on the fundamental value. Last time when we trade long-term period on the fundamental value, it's like this model, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a mini copy, 1, 2, 3. So we should test 74.57. After that, going to test the buy line. So I guess we get this week and the next one, and after that we will see the August. In August would be good to see the correction. Take profit line for this token is here. It's $1.98. Exit line it's $2.23. So guys, if you dream about accumulate Immutable X, you can do this even now, but be careful because we can drop and crash to ICO rounds, right? One take and invalidate this idea. The targets, will be relevant, absolutely relevant, but the matter of time, this week just to start daily here we tested a buy line, bounce it here, drop on the fundamental value, bounce it 86 level by FEEP since 2021. Imagine drop it back to the buy line, bounce it. Now I wish to see this is an order flow close, I don't know, like 50% at least this order flow. The best case if we drop again to the 36. At 36, maybe even I will finally buy the Immutable X. I will add alert to the buy line. Take profit, the buy line on the daily. So I will track it on the daily. If we talk about, this is like impulse, if we use the FEEP, bam, this one. So here, 50 cents, 29, comfortable zone. And I wish to see, of course, this one, 46, 46, 41 and 1, and 38, 61. So I'm more than sure the lines will curl like this one, and wish to see this drop, consolidation, go higher. So I'm waited this block. I guess we'll come back to this video later. On the 12th time frame, yes, we at the take profit line. So would be good to see the market go into correction to test the buy line on a daily and on 12 time frame. So yes, let's say 41 cents, 38 cents. I think it's will be the comfortable zone for me for accumulation. If you're already in, I'm not recommended to sell, to trying to chase some small differences, right? Buy, sell. If you bought this token for investment, better wait. It's just my humble opinion, better wait. I will wait my targets if they will give us the opportunity to buy again at 41 or 38 cents. I will be more than happy. From this current prices, it's around 40 cents, 40% down. So globally, we underrated on the fundamental value. So technically, it's good time for accumulation. Daily, I showed you. Let's double check, guys. Other indicators, direction, market mood, ADZ, I can't show you because it's a global chart. We get some news or what? About Immutable X, the Dent token launcher on Immutable on June 22. Some legendary NFTs. So guys, come on, it's not a fact of price at all. Rumble, Rush. So we had a lot of stuff, like a lot of updates and news on fundamental, but it's nothing to do with the price. So let's even hide this one. Right, and hide the chart. This is accumulation from whales. So technically, yes, I repeat again, it's okay, time for accumulation. If we track this low, we're ready to sweep it. So should we drop again? I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure why we should drop again to grab liquidity like 37. So it would be good to see the 40 cents, for example. Here, it was a low and we grab it. And once again, grab it. So of course, if we will form the, like 1, 2, 3 drives pattern, even 32 cents or even 30 cents is possible. Of course, even 10 cents possible. But let's say between the 60 cents and 36, I guess it can be the comfortable zone for accumulation. If it's not like a situation where the venture funds want to just distribute their bags because they still in profit like 3,000 to 200% gains from 2 cents Series A round, right? So I hope all of that guys are already out of the token. So technically, this is accumulation by whales. Good one. Monthly. This is a kind of problem because we didn't test the bottom on the monthly, non-direction. That's why, yes, I'm not rush. If we will see that drop in August, it's going to be just a blue bath for all alts. And it will be kind of weird. If the August will be green, so the next step is going to be $1.06, this one, and $1.18, the close of monthly gaps, the main monthly gaps. So this is it. Looks Here it looks like double bottom right on the weekly. On the monthly, I can say this is like a double bottom. It's just some consolidation. But anyway, guys, my final take for Immutable X is $6.95, $6.55. So this is what I wish to see. And by the way, the monthly was still in area zone. It's kind of weird because on a lot of tokens, for example, even the ICP, I guess, already out of area zone on the monthly. All right, anyway, the money power, guys. Here was a money outflow. It was so obvious we will drop. And the people laughing, so how we can drop to 45 cents. Here we are, we dump it. Highly recommend you go and check that video. Here we dropped to the bottom, but no money inflow. All right, let's double check on the weekly. The last money inflow being here, February at 75.68. So I will add alerts once again on the money inflow on Immutable X. I want to track it because yes, if the GameFi sector will pump, you know, if we choose between the Illuvium, for example, and Immutable X, I could choose the Immutable X. All right, so this is a RSI bullish divergence. For me now, guys, not enough bullish signals. Yes, we trade under fundamental value, good one. We form the lower low, but we bounce it, and I wish to see the correction because we rejected at 12 and frame take profit line. We don't see the money inflow. So like 50-50, and if it's a 50-50, I skip it. I skip this tokens. And also, I wish to see the red August. Sell, only the buybacks. Now no new buy back signal. Daily, guys. Daily, we got like last signal to buy, pump, sell, take profit, buy, take profit, sell. Let's add alerts. Another one. So I added three alerts to Immutable X, and we will see. We will see how it goes. Also here, if people who trade, you know, the classic, not a classic, but classic smart money. So here it was a break of structure, right? So drop, the last swing, low, bounce it. We sweep the structure, right? Break of structure. And crash it down. And break of structure at the bottom. Technically, it's just like a deviation. Here. Premium discount. I showed you how the deviation works. Take a look. This one. So if it's a deviation at the bottom, bam. Deviation at the top, one tick. Second one, it was deviation at the bottom. Second one. Now would be good to see the test, at least 54. After that, drop to close, I don't know, 50 cents. If we will form another deviation down, yes, you can be sure we go in even on the 30 cents. Because one deviation formats, second one formats, so now we're just in a range. And we have to keep this range between like 34 and 75. If not, guys, I have a bad news for you. Global targets relevant. So now, locally, I'm waiting to test at least 50 cents. After that, would be good to test the 42, like a gift. Maybe at 42, I will think about it to open or position with the second leverage, for example, for long run, or buying on the spot. So now I'm not rushed. If we'll not see the red end of June and not see the red August, yes, the order can be open way higher, even to the $1. And next step. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about Immutable X. If you'd like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.